Welcome back, all of you. Today we will discuss facts of Indian history. First one, the world's first university is the University of Taxila, and it was established in India in 700 BC. And it was a center of learning for students from all over the world and was famous for its courses in philosophy, medicine, mathematics, and astronomy. The Indian states of Meghalaya is home to the world's wettest place, Mawsynram. It receives an average of 467 inches of rainfall each year, making it rainiest place on earth. India has the world's largest movie industry, Bollywood, which produces over 1,000 movies every year. It is also the largest employer in the country's entertainment sector. The Indian state of Sikkim is the only state in India with an official language other than Hindi or English. Its official language is Sikkimese, which is a dialect of Tibetan. The Indian town of Sunny Singapore is famous for its unique tradition of not having doors on any of its houses or shops. The residents believe that the town is protected by the god Sunny, who will punish anyone who tries to steal or cause harm. The Indian state of Gujarat is home to the world's largest salt desert, the Rann of Kutch. It covers an area of over 7,500 square miles and is famous for its breathtakingly beautiful landscape. The Indian city of Varanasi is one of the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world, with a history that dates back over 5,000 years. It is also considered one of the holiest city in Hinduism and is a major pilgrimage site for Hindus. The Indian national sports field hockey has won 8 Olympic medals, more than any other country in the world. These are just few more interesting and funny facts about Indian history, about Indian cities. India is a country with a rich and diverse history, and there are many more fascinating facts waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching.